So in this video I'm going to explain you about contour plugging. Okay, so contour plugging is basically a method which we use in mountainous or mountain slopes. Okay, it is very helpful in reducing soil erosion. Let's see what is contour plugging, contour bunds or bench terrace. Okay, so a check dam, also called gully plug, is a small temporary or permanent dam. Okay, in between, you can see in mountain slopey areas. Okay, in contours we have created this temporary bund. Okay, we have created this gully plug, you can say. Okay, a small temporary or permanent dam, okay, in between the contours. Okay, you can see here. So what this will help, so these we have constructed across a drainage ditch or channel. Okay, suppose when water is coming from the mountains, okay, in between we have constructed different we have constructed a temporary dams. Okay, which will help in reducing the flow of the water. Okay, which will help in reducing surface runoff. Okay, speed of the water, as well as it will help in harvesting runoff. Okay, runoff water. For example, suppose when it will rain on the mountains, okay, then when water will come down from the mountain slopes by following the slope of the land, in between the slopes on contours, we have created this temporary dams. By contour plugging or bunding, we have created a bund, small temporary bund or small temporary dam, you can say. Okay, so when water will come down by following the slope of the land, that will collect here. Okay, that water will collect here. It will not only stop the speed of the water, okay, runoff of that water, but of course it will help in harvesting that water. Okay, harvesting that runoff water. So it will help in increasing water table in that area. Okay, and it will also be very helpful in reducing soil erosion over the region, because in between these temporary bunds, okay, which we have created by contour plugging, okay, this will help in collecting surface runoff water, as well as it will help in increasing water table, and it will reduce soil erosion over the region. Okay.